Today I'm going to show you a little bit of how I use OneNote in my class. So if you look right here, here's a lesson from February 4th and 5th that I did in my class. And I actually made the lesson. If you look right here, it tells you the date, January 27th, 2013. So what I did was I actually can type. You can put a text box anywhere on your page and you can just start typing. And then you could just move that text box to wherever you want it to be. I'm going to delete this one because I don't want the kids to see it. But if you look, everything is a text box, and you can pretty much just move it wherever you want it to be. And when you type something in, it automatically saves, so you don't have to worry about saving. This is my text box. I just cut and pasted that information from the Virginia Department of Education. Here is my homework I put in a table. If I look down here, important facts, my warm-up. So I have my warm-up with my students, and maybe I want to add some more space so I can show students how to do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Insert, and I'm going to go to Space, and then I'm going to just click right here and add a little bit more space so I can show the kids. So then I'm going to go here and I'm going to click on Draw, and I'm going to use this red pen, and then I'm going to take my stylus and I'm going to actually draw barium chloride. So I'm going to take my B, Cl, 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 put my Lewis dot in, and then tell the students which shape it is. So that would be trigonal, and we'll say planar. So that way the kids know exactly what's going on. So I'll go back here and click on this so I can get my pointer back. So if you scroll down further, I've inserted websites. The websites are for tutorials to help the kids with this particular lesson. I've inserted a game here from a particular Swift file so the kids can actually go there and click on that and play a little game with the naming. You scroll down further, you can see where I've actually put in an actual worksheet that we actually did in class together. And I did the first one here for them. So if you look right here, what this was, I was using my drawing tool again, just like I did above. And it puts it in a text box, and I can pretty much move that wherever I want it to be as well. I also attached a file here. So what I did was go to Insert, and I attached a file. Now this file I would open up in my Word document, but the kids can't open it up because they don't have access to my computer, so that's why I inserted the printout file. And it inserts it just like it would look on your Word document. The only thing is about your Word document files, though, it inserts it as a picture, so you can sort of make it bigger and smaller or move it around just like you would a normal text box. You cannot insert space in this, though. So if you're going to insert a document from your Word document, you want to make sure you have space already made there for it. Okay, so if I look around to the different websites, my different pages, I can look and see different pages. Here I inserted an actual PowerPoint. You can insert PowerPoint into your OneNote file, and you can open it up if you're linked to your computer. The students can't click on this and open it. You can insert that in maybe your Edline page or something like that. That's what I normally do. But this is just easy access for me when I'm doing my lesson in OneNote. If I look up here, here's my next unit that I've made and my new pages that I've started here on the side. If I wanted to create another new page, I would click on New Page, and I would click on Page Templates. And I normally tend to pick the academic one because this is for school, and I pick Simple Lecture Notes. So right here it sets up my title, so all I have to do is type in my title that I might want to do. My today's topics, what I do here is I just sort of get rid of today's, and I put SOL topics for the day. I've typed in my homework here, and then here I'll put my important facts as covered. So down further, I might want to insert a screen clipping, and I can insert a screen clipping from anywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and click Screen Clipping, and I'm just going to take it from, you can take it from anywhere, whatever's on your screen. And as soon as you do that, what happens is it pops right into your OneNote page with where you got it from and the day that you got it. So it helps if you're doing research. The kids can actually do research and be able to get their websites and stuff from that. Another thing that you can do in OneNote that's really pretty cool is that you can insert video. So video and audio. If you just want to insert audio, what you would do is you would just click on the audio, and then it would start recording whatever you're saying on your page. If you wanted to include video, then you would have to have a webcam if you don't have one in your computer already. And what it will do is it'll put a picture of you somewhere on the file. You can move it wherever you want it to be, and it will have a picture of you talking about the notes as well. You can also insert a picture, say pictures from your particular pictures on your computer. So I'm just going to go down here and I want to click on Sweetheart. So it inserts that picture as well. So it just inserts it wherever your cursor was last. So then you can just move that around if you want to. Take it out of your little box where it was, and you can move that around as well. So these are just a couple of things that I actually use OneNote for, and since it syncs automatically with SkyDrive, the kids can see every change that you make, that you allow them to see. And that's it.